How to recover deleted post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose to guide you to recover deleted post on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap Account Center at top of the screen. Scroll down. Locate your information and permissions. Select it. Choose Download your information option. Now choose Download or Transfer information. Select your Instagram account. Tap the Next button. Since we are here to recover deleted posts on Instagram, select Some of Your Information option. Scroll down and locate the option of Content, checkmark the option and tap Next button. Now tap Download to device. Here you have to select the date range, and here you can easily select either that's of last week, last month, 3 months or anyone and tap on the Save button. After that you can select your email address, format and media quality. Once you have customized this option, tap Create Files button. And now our information is being prepared for download. Once the information has been downloaded, we can easily recover the deleted post on Instagram and watch it again. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.